buat MMA 3003. Ni ke braking system lap 4. Itu guide, orang akan buat inspection, removal dengan refitting lah.
Strap with one hand, I just be holding the bench with my other hand. I brought my main bench a color man. I brought my other little bitch a little another bench. Running these tracks like I'm the running man.
So first of all, kita buka tayar dulu lah. Kita kena ada hand air kan. Lepas tu air supply. So nut untuk saiz tayar ni ialah 1. So kita pakai ni apa nama? Buat saiz nombor 1, okey. Kita akan buka tayar ni. Tayar ni kita letak bawah.
Pembukaan tayar ni kita akan menggunakan hydraulic cable menggunakan spana yang size 14 dan di bawahnya kita akan letak aluminium plate sebagai tabungan kepada minyak untuk jatuh.
Wow. Macam kuat ke? Lepas dah buka hydraulic cable, kita akan buka clipper. Letakkan ni size 17. Sebenarnya lepas dah longgarkan 2 skru, sebenarnya kita akan buka bracket dengan dalaman. Kita ada 2 skru size 17. Baru dia keluarkan.
Okey. Macam lain.
Dummy man, I just be shooting the strap with one hand. I just be holding the bench with my other hand. I brought my main bench a color man. I brought my other little bitch a little another bench. Running these tracks like I'm the running man. Throwing my hands, he turn to the stunner man. 1600 of these niggas from me.
Awak ke sini. Kalau tali tu tak boleh, hos tak boleh, awak ke sini. Okey. Okey. Pasal tangan awak tak boleh ada kat situ, nampak?
Nampak.
Dia pergi. Okey, keluarkan. Okey, apa awak kena buat? Awak kena check. Kira dia punya
ada scratch lah, tapi ada sikit rusty tengok ni.
Dapat belum?
Kita ada sikit rusty. So dalam ni pun kita akan cuci. We will wash the surface and see the condition okay lah, the rusty lah, but the surface okay, no scratch. So after that we will wash the surface of the inner side. No, condition tas cover piston ni kalau rosak, so biasa kita kena tukar yang baru dia. Untuk ni respect sama ada respect sama ada 14 hari ni lah. Siapa sini ni? Kalau dia punya ni backplate tu dapat ukuran yang tepat lah. Sebab kita kena pakai ni sebagai kaliper untuk ukur. Kita dapat 12.65. Ini ukuran dia. Ini ukuran backplate. Ini yang satu ni pula lagi. 12.38. Ini pula 12.34. So nampaklah bahagian sini nipis sikit, bahagian sini tebal.
Seterusnya kita akan cek mukaan disk rotor rata ataupun tidak. Kita akan setkan ini kosong dan masukkan 2 nut ke dalam pada disk rotor dan kita pusingkan.
Sekarang kita nak ukur thickness rotor kita. So sebelum ukur kita kena lukis 6 garisan lah diameter dia. Okay, so sekarang kita nak ukur throttle boleh thickness. Nah, so sebelum kita ukur, kita kena lukis 6 part lah. So yang sini kata 1 part, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. Sekarang kita start ukur yang part pertama. So kita boleh tengok part pertama, measurement dia 5.96 mm. Part 2, so yang part 2, kita dapat bahagian dia 5.87 mm. Yang part ketiga kita dapat 6.909 08 mm.
6.08.
Empat kita dapat 6.49 mm. Tempat kelima dia dapat 5.8 mm.
Jom.
5.8 mm.
Okey.
Tempat yang keempat kita dapat 5.56 mm.
5.56.
Ya. Kita ambil kat kapur untuk betul disapu batu ni. Apa ini kan? Ini lepas kita sapu kampung ni kita ambil brake pad untuk tengoklah dia bagi ni. Kita check brake pad ni. Mana satu yang high, mana satu yang low. Bagaimana yang brake pad ni makan? Kita tengok pusingnya akan slow. Apakah baik pusing tadi, bahagian atas ni dia yang dia makan, bahagian bawah ni dia tak makan. So maksudnya yang bahagian bawah ni dah haus dah, dah nipis. Atas ni masih tebal sikit dah banding yang bawah ni. So betul kita buat pelayar yang brake satu lagi. Ni kita akan tengok guide pin ataupun lock pin, sama ada straight ataupun untuk sekali test kita akan letak ni, maksudnya pin ni adalah straight, tak ada bengkok ataupun pusing. Kemudian yang ni pin yang kedua. So yang pin yang kedua pun straight, sama juga. Lock pin dengan guide pin sama ada straight ataupun bengkok dengan cara yang kedua. So dekat atas permukaan yang lantai straight, kemudian tengok kepala dia sama ada bengkok ataupun straight. So kepala dia straight, pin ni straight, pin seterusnya pun straight juga. Masuk sistem balik dan pasang ini gas power balik. Dan kita pasang
Dan ni patutnya kat sini.
mana dia ni?
Masuk. Masuk.
Tu dia punya. Tengok bom. Masuk tak?
Bawa masuk.
Dia sarung. Flash.
Ya. Dah. Masuk ni.
So now this is table 1. So now we explain the part name. So the first part name is the caliber mounting bolt here, and the second one is guide pin bolt. And the third one is pin bushing right here. And number 4 is brake pad assembly. Number 5 is dust boot. Number 6 is piston ring, same right here. And number 7 is piston boot. And number 8 is piston. Number 9 is piston seal. And number 10 is caliber bracket. And number 11 is outer brake pad. And number 12 is inner red pad. And number 13 is shame. And last one is the anti-ratter creep right here. Okay, now we want to explain the condition of this brake part. So first thing is the wear indicator. As we see in the video that this brake part is worn and worn out. And next up is the disc brake surface. So the disc brake surface is very rough and rusty condition. Now the third part is the outboard brake shoe. So the condition we have done the experiment as you see in the video is uneven surface because the brake pad at the top is thick and the bottom is slim or has been worn out. So we also have measured the outboard brake shoe or brake pad. The thickness is 12.65 millimeter. And next is the inboard brake pad. The condition also uneven surface and the thickness that we have measured is 12.34 millimeter. And number 5 is the piston. Piston is very bad condition and rusty as well as cylinder bore. Also rusty surface that have to be cleaned. Okay, next is the table 3 inspection of disc brake condition. First thing we have done the run out measurement. So we see the surface is worn inward because the measurement that we see is negative as seen in the video. Next is the disc thickness measurement. So we have 6 points. The first point is 5.96 millimeter. Second is 5.87 millimeter. Third 6.08 millimeter. Fourth 6.49 millimeter. Fifth 5.8 millimeter. And the last one is 5.56 millimeter. We also have done the rub test so on the disc brake surface. So we have seen that it worn unevenly and have very rough surface. And next up is the guide pin or lock pin straightness. So if you see the video, we have done the
Discussion time.
We see that the guide pin or lock pin is no bend at all and also in good condition without any rusty.
So for the discussion, question number 5I. Based on your finding, what is the condition of the brake pad? Should it be replaced with a new pad? So the answer is, based on our inspection, we found that the condition of the brake pad was in a bad condition, in which the thickness of the brake pad was uneven, rusty and groovous. We really think that it should be replaced with a new one to make sure the safety of the ride, passenger and road users.
This is a discussion number 2. The question is, list to cause of rotor stiffness variation. What is the correct repair procedure of stiffness variation? The first one is unheavy brake pad contact. Needs to install the brake pad correctly and make sure the position and shape of the brake pad on the brake is correct. The number 2 is overheating the brake pad. The driver should drive more safely and not always press the brake hard when wanting to brake, and make sure the ventilation on the brake is in good condition so that the brake bore is coolly.
Next one is discussion. The question is, what do you understand about run out measurement data? So actually, run out measurement data is when we're using a tire indicator, this tire indicator on brake rotors. It provides a precise assessment of the rotor uniformity as in the test. It shows the rotor surface imperfection. So from our experiment, most of the time the tire indicator shows negative reading, and this suggests that the rotor has contact defects.
The question number, what is your finding for the guard pin lock pin straightness check? What can happen to your disc brake system if the guard pin is not straight? The answer is to check straightness pin we can use of a daily indicator or precision tool. You can use the daily indicator or micrometer to check the straightness by measuring the run out of the guard pin as is in rotated. The pin should not have
any noticeable wobble or deviation when spun. And apa tu, an unheavy brake pad wear. It will cause the movement of the brake caliper to be uneven and cause the brake quality on the car to be less and make the lifespan of the brake pad shorter. The conclusion of this lab is brake maintenance is an important thing for us to pay attention to for the sake of our safety. With this activity we carry out, we can know how to check, overcome the brake problem we face and more efficiently and increase our knowledge in a car brake maintenance so that we are no longer easily in cheat and responsibility people.
That's all. Thank you.
Over.